Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into this website called Fiverr. So we're going to review uncover what makes it a top contender and what you should be aware of before you dive into this platform. So to get started, Fiverr is a global online marketplace where you can find people to help you with all sorts of tasks. Think of it like a big store, but instead of selling products, people which are freelancers sell their skills. You can create things like logos, websites, or get help with writing. These expert sellers offer a varieties of service. If you need something done and don't want to hire a full-time employee, Fiverr is a place to find a skilled freelancer who can help you. It's a way for people with talent to offer them to other who needs them. Now, talking about the key top benefit of Fiverr, it comes with a huge varieties of offer. It also it is affordable. It's a quick help, global talent, easy to use, and a safe payment together with a trusted seller. And talking about the best features, Fiverr is a cool website where you can find people to help you with all sorts of projects. It's like having a big teams of help online, ready to work on your ideas. What makes Fiverr special is let's check out some of these best features about what makes it special and a best platform. So one of these key features about what makes this Fiverr platform special is illustration. Need a cool drawing for your school project or a fun pictures for your YouTube channel. This platform is the best for you. It doesn't come with a vector tracing and an email automation and a character animation and all of that.